Imagine a 15-mile-long river of molten rock moving silently beneath the feet of unsuspecting villagers. Most people associate volcanic eruptions with visible peaks like Vesuvius, but this is a massive subterranean vein of liquid magma. The reality of this threat became clear in Grindavik, Iceland. Throughout late 2023 and early 2024, thousands of intense earthquakes rocked this town as that underground magma river pushed to the surface. This massive flow of black lava borders newly built residential streets, erupting straight out of the flat ground right next to these homes. Scientists call this a magma dike. This molten rock behaves as a vertical, razor-thin sheet, slicing laterally through the crust at record speeds. Under extreme pressure, it hunts for weak points in the rock to continue its migration. Volcanoes are dynamic, migrating geological events. They are capable of traveling miles underground and surfacing directly inside human territory. This massive physical tear in the Icelandic landscape is the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. It is the structural catalyst for these movements, marking the boundary where the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates meet. As these tectonic plates pull apart, they create a vast underground vacuum. The immense pressure of the Earth's mantle forces the liquid rock to rush in and fill these newly opened spaces. Geologists classify Iceland as a red volcano region. As seen in this vibrant flow, these systems are characterized by highly fluid lava that runs across the terrain rather than producing explosive ash clouds. Iceland's visible rifts provide a clear window into how magma moves. However, these same migratory mechanics exist underneath regions of Europe that appear completely unbroken. The Eifel region in Germany, near the borders of Belgium and Luxembourg, is a serene landscape. For centuries, it has maintained a reputation for being geologically dead. GPS data recently revealed a different reality. The entire region is actively rising by 1 millimeter every single year. Deep beneath the continent, a colossal blob of superheated rock is rising, a mantle plume. It acts as a hydraulic press, applying constant upward pressure against the solid continental plate, forcing the ground to lift by 1 millimeter per year. Because the German crust is thick and unbroken, it currently contains this immense pressure. This makes the Eifel region a significantly more dangerous scenario than the open rifts of Iceland. Tracking a moving magma river miles underground requires tools that can see through solid rock without the need for drilling. Scientists use INSAR, or satellite radar, to bounce signals from orbit. This allows them to map microscopic topological swelling before the rock physically snaps. A second diagnostic tool measures chemical off-gassing. As subterranean magma pushes upward, it releases immense volumes of carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide through the soil long before any lava reaches the surface. Combining orbital radar data with these chemical surface markers proves that massive magma rivers are moving beneath Europe right now. There is a vital distinction between Iceland's fluid red volcanoes and the Eifel region's history of gray volcanoes. Gray volcanoes are characterized by explosive eruptions that occur when trapped pressure is suddenly released. This enormous circular lake in the Eifel region is actually a submerged explosion crater. 13,000 years ago, the Lockyer Z supervolcano erupted here, burying vast tracts of Europe in suffocating ash. The current 1 millimeter per year groundswell signals the slow awakening of the very same mantle plume that caused the Lockyer Z disaster. The European continent sits directly atop active, migrating systems of molten rock. The ground we live on is a temporary, shifting roof. If you lived in a region where the ground was rising by a millimeter every year, would you stay for the science or leave before the river reaches the surface? Let me know in the comments if you think Europe is prepared for a major eruption.